number mo ba?
Ako na, nagriyan na.
Pwede yung camera?
Saan mo yung
Helmet?
Dili, jogging.
Ay, tanong ka na.
Ulay, gunting dito.
Mahal ng klase sir ba? Na, may tag-standard yung daghang order ba?
Mahal siya. Kuha sa gulit sabi, kulang.
SJR Action camera 4K Wi-Fi cam SJCAM. Nabidyo ka?
Wait lang. Ano to? 2,207. Copy na.
Sir, salamat kayo sir.
Sige, makabili na.
Gani ba? Basta sila daw, way pulima. Pagkabre gani, delikado.
Gani. Sige, thank you. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So the video that you just saw was the one I took when I, received the package, when the item that I bought was delivered. So that time, gusto ko i-make sure na kompleto siya at maayos ang pagkakabalot ng item. So today I am going to make a review of this product. So this product, nabili to siya. Hindi pala, binili para sa akin kasi malapit yung birthday ko. So, matagal ko na kasi itong hiniling sa kanya. So, sabi naman niya, birthday ko naman daw. So, pinili niya to para sa akin. And really want this product kasi palagi akong nagja-jogging. Gusto yung mag-video, pero unfortunately, mahirap kasi mag-video gamit lang yung cellphone camera. At saka, naghahanap ako ng action camera na, yung stabilization. Kasi pag sa cellphone kasi, medyo hindi sturdy yung kuha niya. And, on other stuff. So, I bought this item para, may share ko sa inyo, experience mga video ko rin yung mga, place ng mga napupuntahan ko. So, ano pa ito? Let's go ahead and do the review and unboxing. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the product is the SJCAM SJ4000 Air Action Camera. Nakabalot pa siya, hindi ko pa talaga siya inopen para sa video ito. May pakita sa inyo na it's still sealed bago ko siya i-review. So let us now open the item. Open the box pala. Parang tanga naman po. Open the box and makita yung loob niya, and then kung ano yung mga accessories. Actually, nakalagay naman yung inclusion niya dito. Ito yun. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. So makikita natin pag binuksan na yung item sa loob. Okay. I'll be right back guys. Okay, so welcome back guys. So here it is. The action camera. Ito, grabe naman itong ano niya. Ito. naka ano na siya, nakapaloob siya sa, para ba ito i-open? Diyos ko Lord. Para ba ito i-open? Ay nako. Yan. Paano ito i-open? Hindi ko marunong mag-open. Uy. Yati ka. Hindi ko marunong mag-open. Teka lang, babalik. Teka lang, i-open ko lang. So, ito na siya. Na-open ko na pala. Ang tagal kasi masyadong malikit eh. Ito siya, oh. Nakabalot pa siya. Ito siya. Ilong ko may USB at saka, ano to, HD. Tsaka yung lagayan ng memory card. Actually, nung pagbili ko ito, hindi kasali yung micro SD nito. At saka ko lang siya nalaman nung nagtanong ako dun dito sa malapit sa amin about sa memory card or SD card nito. Meron din pala siyang specific na para sa mga action camera. So, unfortunately, hindi kaya ng budget. So, bumili lang ako ng pang-try lang muna. Itong Kingston na 8GB pang try ko sa video ito. So, ang gagawin ko is itatry ko siya and then let's see the difference kasi kukuha ako ng video from this phone and then compare siya sa action camera para lang ma-compare a little bit kasi usually pag nag-vlog ako ito kasing cellphone ang ginagamit ko. So let's see the difference kung sa dalawang ito itong product ito is really worth buying. I'll get back to you guys and show you the video nakuha nitong SJCAM. Hello guys, so welcome back. So that was the video that I took between SJCAM and my cell phone. This is what I'm using right now, this mobile, and most everything that I took and upload in this channel. So as you can see, less yung stabilization. I thought na maganda yung stabilization. Actually, I'm quite happy to have this, and this is my first action camera. This was given by my sister. She bought this for my birthday. You can also check her channel and also subscribe to her channel. But anyway, as I've said, I'm quite happy to have this action camera because I've been longing to have this, and finally I have this. I'll be doing a lot more vlogging and taking a lot of videos with this. Also, yung dito niya, pag kapasok na siya dito, nahihirapan ako pag itatanggalin ko, nahihirapan akong bunutin kasi nasa-stuck siya sa ilalim. But I know it's okay. So I got this for $2,099 plus shipping, 100 plus, so that's 2,207. Hindi siya masyadong expensive, hindi rin siya masyadong cheap, tamtaman lang sa mga katamtamang tao katulad ko. Kasi pag i-compare mo siya kasi sa mga high-end action camera, yung price niya is hindi lang malahati. But mga nabubudget, I think this action camera would be pretty good, especially lang sa mga nagbabike or nagmo-motorcycle. I think this will be good. But in terms of, jogging and doing a lot of movements, I think this action camera would be not really ideal, but it would still be good. Okay, I guess that would be all for this video, and pretty sure soon I'll be taking a lot of videos with this action camera, and I hope na maganda yung kuha niya at wala masyadong problema. And again, I want to thank my sister for sending this and giving this to me on my birthday. Can you guys greet me on my birthday? No. Like I think 2 weeks from now, I'll be 52. Ew. What? No, I'll be turning like lagpas na ng calendar. Oof! Matandang guro! Walang girlfriend, walang love life, walang money, walang kahit ano. Well, anyway, walang problema yan. Happy lang sa life. There's God. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like the video, even if you don't, can I ask you to subscribe and click the notification bell and share this video to some other people, especially sa mga awan mo, kasi probably they don't like to watch this. Most probably they would like to watch those famous YouTuber. But anyway, thank you guys for watching again, and hope to see you guys next time, and God bless all of you. Peace